Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, we'll need to pull down our control center, which we do by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. And here you'll find this moon icon with focus written next to it. You can hold this in text, and this will give us a couple different options. Now, obviously the one that we're looking for is the Do Not Disturb mode, which is the first one. We can tap on the three dots right here and then also navigate into the settings, where you can customize how the mode actually functions. So you can select what people can call you, message you, then you have apps that you can exclude from this, because basically whatever you select here is what will be excluded by the mode once it's running. And we also have a schedule mode, so you can set up a bunch of schedules in here, and this will turn on at a specific day of the week and time, and then automatically also turn off. So once that's set up, you can just either forget about it if you just selected the schedule, but if you want to manually enable it or disable it, you would find the toggle and you would tap on it like so. And right now it's enabled. Now we can also quickly turn it off by finding it and tapping on it once more. Now that being said, once you select the Do Not Disturb mode from the toggles, the focus section, whenever you will be selecting it again, it will always stick to the last enabled mode, which for me is, as you can see, the moon icon, Do Not Disturb mode. So when I enable it, it automatically turns back on the Do Not Disturb. So you hold it only if you want to change it to something else like sleep or a couple modes that you have pre-made, or if you want to access settings. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.